Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today I will conclude my reflections on some of the black saints of the Catholic Church by discussing Saint Moses the Black. Saint Moses was born around the year 330. He was an Ethiopian man who possessed great physical strength, and it's also said he had a very unruly character. Moses was a big man, and his enormous strength, it is said, was well known. He actually belonged to a band of professional thieves and robbers in Egypt. But fearing death from his Ethiopian master or from other criminals, Moses eventually ran away into the desert. No regular people were there, only poor hermits who, of course, had nothing to steal. And so the hermits converted Moses to Jesus. He became a Christian. But his former bad habits, his former bad ways, held on to him. And so, in order to overcome his shortcomings, Moses moved even further into the desert. Eventually, he was chosen to be a priest. And at his ordination, the bishop said to him, "Now the black man is made white." Moses would have none of that, and his reply was this: "Only on the outside, for God knows I am all black within." I hope you've enjoyed these reflections on some of the black saints of the Catholic Church during this Black History Month. I hope you have a great weekend, and thank you once again for watching.